Alright, let's say that you have a problem like this. This problem is relatively easy if you know what to do. Of course, it's always easy if you know what to do. Alright, but what you want to do first is take the time and work this problem out. It is 5 plus 2i parentheses, close parentheses, and then the other set of parentheses you have 5 minus 2i. So if you would, pause the YouTube video and take a moment or two and work out this problem on your own. Alright, so you should have already had this problem done. This would be a good way to check your work. So, there's basically two ways to do this problem. Let me show you the first way, which is easier. If you notice that this is, first off, there's no sign, like a plus sign or a minus sign or a division sign in between these two set of parentheses. So that tells you right off the bat that you're going to be multiplying. In fact, what you're going to be doing, since you have two terms here and two terms here, that means you're going to be foiling. So you want to FOIL. Now the quick way is to notice that this is a 5, this is a 5, this is 2i, and this is 2i. The numbers are the same. The only thing that's different is the sign. So you have a plus sign here and a minus sign, so that indicates a difference of squares. So since that's a difference of squares, what you're going to be doing is basically figuring out the first and the last. You don't have to calculate anything else because the middle term cancels out when you have a difference of squares. So if you have 5 times 5, that's 25. Then you have 2i, positive 2i times a negative 2i. That gives you minus 4i squared. Again, since you're dealing with I, treat the I like a variable. So x times x, yeah, it's x squared. So I times I would be I squared, right? And so then you want to simplify it further after you have all the i's and the I squares. I squared is equal to negative 1. So replace I squared with negative 1. Simplify it further. So you have 25. A negative times a negative gives you a positive, so that'd be a plus 4. And then you add 25 plus 4, that is, right, it's very easy, it's 29. Good job. And that is the correct answer.